What is up YouTube, welcome back to technoboy, and today you can see the motherboard is here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna install this CPU cooler. It's from Antec that you've seen before. So for installing this thing, you don't need to remove the motherboard from the cabinet at all. You can do that right there on the motherboard inside the cabinet, but I took it out just for cleaning, and it will be easy to show you how to install that like this. That's why I opened this up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this stock cooler from here, and then need to clean the processor top side, that residue of the heatsink compound, and then gonna install that cooler. So let's start the process. You're gonna see the process from that much further distance. So let me take you close. So that's the previously used heatsink compound that you can see it here. And first of all, I need to clean this up. Then gonna apply a new heatsink compound, and then apply that cooler. The plastic bracket is just gonna sit like this, and all I need to do is just first slide this in. You can see at the bottom there is a notch on both sides, just like the stock fan, just like the stock cooler. And then after that, just need to push this screw type of thing inside to the end, and it will lock there. So let's do this now. Alright, now just need to push this screw type things inside. As you can see, they're locked now. Here it is. So now alright, now what I need to do is I need to put some heatsink compound here, and then just put that on this bracket, and you can see the both side. This is the one side and this is another side. They'll be locked here. There are notches just like that on all the side. Here it is, and on this side this is one, that's one, that's one. So now the point is, when you are going to mount this kind of cooler, so this is the fan, and this thing blows here to this aluminum fins and the pipe on this side. The air blows to this side. So you need to always install this just like this. On this side there will be ramp, and this side the vent will be there on the cabinet, or maybe a fan will be there to suck out all the air from inside. So now when you place like this, the fan blows air to this heatsink, and then the air blows out from here to the cabinet. And now if you install like this, and for older PCs there will be the SMPS on the top side, so it will blow the air to the HMPS, and that thing will be more hot. And if you place it like this, this is the inside of your cabinet. All this side, the hard drive and the optical drives all are will be on this side. So this thing will blow the hot air inside, and the inside of your PC will become more hotter. So that's not the right thing. And also on this side, that's also the wrong side, because the fan will blow the air, hot air, to this side, and probably your graphics card would be here if you have one. That will blow the air to the graphics card. So the best thing is that you need to place it just like this. It will blow the hot air outside through the cabinet, or if you have a bigger fan here at the cabinet, then it will be much better. So now let's mount this, but before we mount that, you need to remove this plastic cover. Just like this. So that's it. The installation is done. Now it's time for this motherboard to go back to the cabinet. So that's it. That's how you install this advanced CPU cooler like this. So I hope you guys are gonna like the video. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and share it with all your friends. And stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.